how to combine two videos on your iPhone. So if you want to merge two videos together so that one plays straight after the other, then what we need to do is first go and open up the App Store on your phone. From the App Store, click on the search box in the bottom right hand side, and then just type in the word CapCut and press search. Now this is a free application that we need to install in order to merge our videos together. So just click on the download icon next to CapCut and wait a couple of seconds while this downloads to our device. Once it's finished downloading, press the open button next to it. You can then agree to the terms and conditions, click on skip in the top right hand side, and if you get a pop-up asking for permissions to access your gallery, make sure to select allow. Once you're on CapCut, click edit in the bottom left hand side, select new project, and click on allow full access. You can then click on the first video that you want to upload and click on the add button in the bottom right hand side. Now if you need to resize this video and make it shorter, then you can do that by clicking on the video and you can drag either the left or the right hand side and you can go and crop this video like so. Now to go and add the second video, click on the plus icon and then just select your second video and click on add in the bottom right hand side. And as you can see, that's now merged these two videos together. So if I click on the play button, you can see that one video plays straight after the other. Now you can also resize this second video as well by once again dragging the edges of the video. Once you've finished, you may need to scroll all the way to the right hand side and you'll see we have this black square here. If you just go ahead and click on this, you can then click delete in the bottom navigation and that will get rid of that black square that we don't need. Once you've finished your video, click export in the top right hand side. Give that a couple of seconds while it saves to your iPhone. And once it's finished, this will automatically be saved over to your photo gallery. So if I open up my photos, you can see we have this video in the bottom right hand side, and these are the two video clips merged together.